Every one of us, one day, will stand in front of Allah. And we will be asked, as the Prophet, peace be upon him, says, An shababik, your young years, your youthful years, what did you do with them? وَجَاءَتْ سَكْرَةُ الْمَوْتِ بِالْحَقِّ ذَلِكَ مَا كُنْتَ مِنْهُ تَحِيدٌ. One day all of us will find the intoxication of death overpowering us. That is what we were trying to escape from. وَنُفِخَ فِي الصُّورِ ذَلِكَ يَوْمُ الْوَعِيدِ. And the trumpet will be blown and we will face our reckoning. وَجَاءَتْ كُلُّ نَفْسٍ مَعَهَا سَائِقٌ وَشَهِيدٌ. And every one of us will stand in front of God with our companions and our witnesses. لَقَدْ كُنْتَ فِي غَفْلَةٍ مِّنْ هَذَا. You tried to escape this reality, young man, young woman. You thought TikTok would help you escape this day. You thought that your distractions, your games, your socials would help you escape this reality. فَكَشَفْنَا عَنْكَ غِطَاءَكَ. Today we remove the veil. فَبَصَرُكَ الْيَوْمَ حَدِيدٌ. Today your eyes seem to look clearly. All young people should remember this. Aldous Huxley, in his book, The Brave New World, he describes a world in which people's minds are controlled not by authority, but by entertainment. You can pacify an entire population by entertaining themselves to death. Neil Postman, in his book, Entertaining Ourselves to Death, almost 80 years ago, he predicts that when television comes out and media comes out, we will become a generation who entertain ourselves to death. Maybe we have reached there. That dystopian future that he predicts, as we glaze our eyes at our devices and we find ourselves losing our time and losing our purpose, I call upon everybody who finds youthfulness in them, young or old, and I ask them to remember, every messenger was sent while they were young, and every person that shifted the axis of this world started while they were young. Use these years, because how quickly they will go. As Allah tells us in the Quran, كَأَنَّهُمْ يَوْمَ يَرَوْنَهَا لَمْ يَلْبَثُوا إِلَّا عَشِيَّةً أَوْ ضُحَاهَا. On that day, when they will see the Day of Judgment, they will say, my life passed by and it felt like it was just a few hours or part of a day. Life speeds by. The clock is ticking. Time will pass and it can never be returned. But congratulations to those who decide, despite the distractions, despite their youth, despite their company, despite their environment, I will find a purpose, I will nurture my skills, and I will serve the cause of Allah.